Hello students. So today we'll discuss about the use of average, max and sum functions. Okay. Suppose you want to calculate the average, highest and lowest sale of computer parts sold by different persons from the range G5 to G14. You can use the functions like average, max and sum, means all are the function names. You can use it easily. All functions begin with an equal sign. Always remember, all the functions will start with an equal sign and include the arguments. Now what do you understand by arguments? Means the ranges from G1 to G5, G5 to G14. These are the arguments. In parenthesis, these arguments we are writing in parenthesis. What are parenthesis? These are the brackets after the function name. For example, in the function average equal average bracket start G5 to G14 bracket close, the function name is average and the argument is the range G5 to G14. Okay, so for understand it in a better way, you can see the image on your screen. That is the calc window. On that window you have seen that there is the heading sale of computer parts. Okay, there we are having the names of the salespersons at one side. There it is written Rahul, Sanjay, Tarun, Kunal, Manoj, Rajesh, Sunil and so on. And just after that you can see the parts of computers: monitor, printer, mouse, keyboard, scanner. Right? Now see, if we'll take an example of Rahul, he's a salesman and he sold out the computer parts. The number of computer parts means 500 monitors, 200 printer, 500 mouse, 400 keyboard and 300 scanners. Okay, and the total 1900 items he has sold. Now similarly, just Rahul has done, other salesperson like the full 14 salespersons, they sold out the number of amount means the number of items in their own way, and we want the average of these items, the total of these items we want the average. So for that we need to put the average function determining the average of range of numbers. See, the average function sums the numbers within a specified range and then divides the sum by the total number of non-zero cells in that range. Means how to find out the average? You understood in maths that in average what we need to do, we need to add, we need to sum all the numbers, then after we'll divide with non-zero cells in the range. Like see the steps. First of all, what we need to do, if we want to take out the average, first step is select the cell where you want to want the average, want to get the answer as average. So select the cell. Suppose in that image, in that window, they selected the cell G16. We selected the cell G16, okay, for the answer. Then type in that particular cell equal average bracket start. Okay, then click on the first cell, that is G5, the first end point of the range to the average. Next step, drag up to the last cell, that is G14, the second end point of the range of average. Okay, then what you will see, a marquee surrounds the range G5 to G14. There will be a dotted line. You can see the dotted line, it is visible properly. That is known as marquee here. So that will surrounds your cells. Okay, when you click the cell G5, calc appends cell G5 to the left parenthesis in the formula bar and surrounds cell G5 with a marquee. When you begin dragging, calc appends to the argument with a colon, the in between there is a colon sign, and the cell reference of the cell where the mouse pointer is located. Next step is click on enter key from the keyboard. Means you typed your function and the last step you have to click on the enter key for processing. Calc computes, means calculates the average of 10 numbers in the range G5 to G14 and displays the result like 1510 in cell G16. Because why in G16? Just because we entered the function in the cell G16. So the answer will come in the same cell where we have typed the function or formula. Thus, the average total sale of all the devices is 1510. Formula bar shows the average formula, and you can see where is the formula bar, just at the above side, above the sale of computer parts. You can see that is the formula bar, and you can see the formula on that particular bar. Understood? So in this way we put the function, average function. Similarly, if we want the sum, we want to calculate the sum of the digits written over there with the help of function. That is also very easy. First we need to select the cell where we want our answer, then click on the press equal sign from the keyboard, type sum bracket start, then give the first cell address where you have the value, first value endpoint, and then ratio sign, and then after that is not ratio, that is colon sign. Then after the last endpoint of your cell up to where you want to calculate the sum, close the bracket and then press enter key. So in the particular cell where you have typed your particular formula function, you will get the result. Okay, in our next video we'll talk about the determining the highest number. That is, we'll use max function. With the help of max function we'll determine the highest number. Okay, for today that is all. Thank you.